What if I told you, there's a motorcycle in the USA that looks like a mini Harley, rides like a dream, and is perfect for beginners, but still turns heads everywhere? Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Honda Rebel 300, a bike that's simple, stylish, and seriously addictive to ride. Welcome back to SG Riders, where we bring you the hottest bikes from around the world. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because today's video might just help you pick your next ride. Rocket motorcycle design. In first impressions, the first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Rebel 300 is its low-slung, aggressive cruiser design. It looks like a big bike, but it's actually lightweight and super easy to handle. You get a blacked-out engine and frame, a round LED headlight, a low seat height, just around 27 inches. Fat tires that give it a bold road presence. This bike screams custom bobber vibes, and honestly, it looks way more expensive than it actually is. Whether you're riding in the city or cruising highways in the USA, this bike gives you that premium feel on a budget. Gear, engine, and performance. Now let's talk about what's under the tank. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 comes with a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It produces smooth, predictable power perfect for beginners, but don't underestimate it. This bike can easily handle daily commuting, weekend rides, highway cruising at decent speeds. The throttle response is smooth, and the engine is tuned for comfort, not aggression. And here's the best part: Honda has introduced updates like improved fuel efficiency and smoother gear transitions, making it even more beginner-friendly. High voltage new feature, e-clutch technology. Now this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Rebel 300 is expected to feature Honda's new e-clutch system. What does that mean? Backhand index pointing right. You don't need to use the clutch manually while shifting. Yes, you can ride like a manual and automatic at the same time. This is a game changer for new riders in the USA who are scared of stalling or clutch control. It makes riding easier, smoother, more confidence boosting. This feature alone could make the Rebel 300 one of the most beginner-friendly bikes in America. Motorway ride quality and comfort. When it comes to comfort, the Rebel 300 shines. You get a relaxed riding position, mid-mounted foot pegs, wide handlebars. This setup makes it perfect for heavy checkmark city traffic, heavy checkmark long weekend rides, heavy checkmark daily commuting. The suspension is soft enough to absorb bumps, and the lightweight chassis makes it super easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Even if you're a shorter rider, this bike feels confidence-inspiring and easy to control. Stop sign braking and safety. Safety is another strong point of the Rebel 300. You get front and rear disc brakes, standard ABS anti-lock braking system. This ensures better control during emergency braking, especially on wet or slippery roads. For beginners, this is a huge advantage. Fuel pump mileage and fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about something everyone cares about: fuel economy. The Honda Rebel 300 delivers around 65-75 mpg USA USA, depending on riding style. That means less fuel stops, more money saved, longer rides without worry. In today's world, that's a big plus. Money price in USA. The expected price of the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is around backhand index pointing right $5,000 to $5,500 USA for a bike that looks this good, rides this smooth, and comes with modern features. This is an absolute value for money deal. It's one of the most affordable cruiser bikes in the American market right now. Thinking face, who should buy this bike? So, who is this bike perfect for? Heavy checkmark beginner riders in the USA, heavy checkmark daily commuters, heavy checkmark riders looking for a stylish cruiser on a budget, heavy checkmark anyone who wants easy handling plus great looks. But if you want extreme speed or racing performance, this might not be for you. This bike is all about comfort, style, and confidence. Cross competitors in USA, the Rebel 300 competes with bikes like Yamaha V-Star 250, Kawasaki Eliminator, Royal Enfield Meteor 350. But thanks to Honda's reliability and now the e-clutch tech, the Rebel 300 clearly stands out. Final verdict: the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 is not just a motorcycle, it's an entry point into the world of cruising. It's stylish white heavy checkmark, affordable white heavy checkmark, beginner-friendly white heavy checkmark, packed with smart features white heavy checkmark. If you're in the USA and planning to buy your first cruiser, this bike should definitely be on your list. Loudspeaker outro call to action. So guys, what do you think about the new Honda Rebel 300? Would you buy it or skip it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more powerful bike content. See you in the next one. Till then, ride safe and ride smart.